So we discussed last time this as well, and also we saw here after this what is networking, and we have discussed about the networking can in general term be thought of as a structure made up of nodes that are related to each other by threads. The nodes and the threads of a simplified social network, because these nodes and threads we have discussed in the previous class also, and you saw as well. So what is business network? If you recall this, and I ask you, what is a business network? So a business network is made up of nodal companies, organizations, and individuals, and the relationship between them. Like in the context of business market, these nodes are business units, as we saw in the figure A, B, C, D, E, F. Business units such as suppliers, producers, distributors, partners, regulators, contractors, customers, and the other companies, organizations, and individuals as well. The relationship between these business units are expressed in actor bonds, activity, link, and resource ties as well. And there is a reference of the Francis 2009. And you will see the network positioning. And what is the network position? Basically, every company occupies a network position. Network positions are the products of an organization's past and present operation. What happened in the past and what is going on now, it is basically tell us about the network positioning, how it is running as well. And the result from relationship and interaction that were or are needed for the firm to do what it was set up to do. Every company in every network occupies a particular position in relationship to other network members as well. So network position can be defined as in a 2 and 3 line as well. A company's network position is the sum total of company's network relationship and all the activities, link, resource, ties, and actor bonds that this relationship contains. And we also discuss about what is meant by the focal form. Basically, all the activities going on for that form. Sometimes the form is 360-degree form, dominate other form. That is called the focal form. These form also become the standard for the other form. Like the focal form is the form whose network is being considered. If you are examining delta plastic, it is example. Examine delta plastic network. So delta plastic is the focal form. Sometimes the threads linking a focal form to its network are loosely connected. At other times, they are contractually defined and tightly controlled, as in the relationship between the Dell computers and its component suppliers. And the business network, the CRM, networks are important for a strategic CRM perspective because network members supply the material inputs, services, fundings, people, technology, and the knowledge that are used to create value propositions for the focal form's customers. They also provide services such as advertising, logistics, and distribution that help raise and satisfy customer demand as well. Business network and the CRM. And what is the relationship between these two things? We have also discussed before as well. So here we will see, consider for example that some retailers have developed relationship with banks to offer financial services products to the retailer customers. You can find this arrangement in the UK, your Tesco and the Royal Bank of Scotland are partners, and in Australia where Woolworth and the Commonwealth Bank partners. This is an arrangement that blurs the conventional customer perceived distinction between retailer and the bank. For example, we have a partnership like this to succeed. Each partner needs to understand the other party's competencies, to share customer related information, to align their technologies, and to be clear about the goals of the partnership if the relationship between the retailer and the bank is poorly managed. Value will not be delivered to customers or created for the partners. Liberating the potential value in customer relationship also hinges on companies effectively managing their non-customer network relationship, that is relationship with alliance, partners, suppliers, distributors, financiers, and so on like this.